Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and today I'm just out here bouncing around the shop. Wanted to come out and catch up and see what the guys are doing, and today it looks like we are doing a roof coating on this Jayco J-Flight. Not sure what the year is, but let's go spy on Terry and see what's going on.
Uh-oh.
Hey Terry, what's going on, man?
Hey, good morning.
What are we doing today?
Getting ready to coat a roof with some Tundra.
All right.
Getting it prepped.
Got a ladder back here. I'll come take a quick peek. So we do a lot of roof coatings here at the shop, and you've probably seen like the RV armor roofs and a lot of the spray-on ones and this and that, and that's great, but that's not for everybody's budget and for everybody's consumer's needs. So this roof, Terry, looks like it's already been coated once.
Yes, it has, with some garbage.
I see whoever did it didn't tape it up very good over there. I see they stopped like midway right there.
I don't know what the hell is going on there, but
So basically, when we're using the Tundra roof coating, we're going around and we're taping up all our seams. We're going to be hand brushing this product, and they're going to go around and cut in all the areas by hand first. And they go back and they paint the first layer of the coating, and then they go back and they paint a second layer of the coating. What's really important is to make sure that all the seams and all the sealants are still in good shape. Some owners choose to have us remove the roof air conditioners and replace the gaskets. Some do not. So it's pretty much just a preference. Usually the material underneath those is still in good shape, and it's hidden, protected from the sun. So anyways, stay tuned for more, and I'll see if I can't come back out and catch them during the process. Thanks so much for watching.